We're gonna start doing those drinks over there.
Dude.
Tell everybody your YouTube channel name.
Pirro the Hero.
You had to speak up louder.
Pirro the Hero.
Hey,
Tell them
Nick.
to describe your channel.
Subscribe.
Hey, Nick. Hey, Nick.
Now you
Hey,
can grab your drinks.
Nick.
Well, I'm not really thirsty though.
Nick. Nick. Can you do this?
This is like,
See what I can come up with.
let's see who is the loudest.
It'll take a while though. Nothing. So does being a douche.
And you can start a second one. Try to flood yourself.
So does being a douche. Damn. It's like this. It wants to come out, but it can't come out. I got nothing.
You got another one.
Oh, crack it.
Yeah, crack that open.
Dude, we need the other bottles.
Yeah.
The big bottles. That's what we need. Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple.
Oh,
You didn't see that.
I got it on there. I was holding it the whole time.
Hey. Wonder what is going on. It's always like being douches, man. Really does kill. I think maybe the energy drink's better. Come on, he wants to come out, but I can't come out. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. It helps.
It's more.
I know, I already drunk one. No wonder. It's mine, dude. I got nothing. It do not want to come out. And watch, when we leave, it'll probably come out again. Like it always does. Every time we leave, get in the car.
When you start shaking the car a lot, sometimes it'll come out. If we have bass, it'll shake it a little bit. Yeah, have that.
Dude, I remember one time in band camp, I saw this dude. He was like going crazy. And like I went to go see what was wrong with him. And there was like a couple other people. I was like, dude, what's going on? He said nothing. And everybody was like, dude. I was like, yeah, dude. I'm just a crazy dude. Go.